With the process of developing these API integrations, is there any authentication required? Because my understanding was always like, oh, Zapier has to form an official partnership with this company to be able to get this API integration approved. Is that the case, or do you just need some sort of technical arrangement for these things to work together?
It depends on the API. For example, let's say Gmail. In Gmail's case, it's a Google app, and Google have quite strict rules on how you are allowed to use them. We do the integration towards Gmail. We at viss.ai, like there's no point in every single customer setting up their own integration toward Gmail. And in that case, we have to start some type of a partnership. We have to apply to have accounts at Gmail to handle them. You get like a quota. You can use 100 accounts now in your app, and then it goes up over time. That deal you kind of have to do if you're Zapier, which we also do for the bigger apps, because it's nice to, already have a package of 100, 1,000 apps when you log into viss.ai that you can just use. But actually all the other ones, we're talking like any minor app, any larger app to actually, if you're integrating it yourself, it's just your credentials. Like viss.ai never touches anything, which means that it's basically like you're writing code on your own laptop integrating towards the API. There's like almost no difference. We're just storing credentials temporarily for you so that it can actually run in a viss.ai workflow, which basically lets you circumvent that authentication problems, which is usually like the biggest pain of building integrations is authentication never works. That we can now solve then. Also, same kind of thing. You're building it in natural language. You're also solving the authentication. In that case, you're pasting an API key, or you're describing how to do OAuth 2 callbacks, which is another type of integration authentication method.